Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop your scanned document on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the plus icon and click on scan in order to scan a document. Tap on the camera icon, direct your phone to the document that you want to scan, hold it steady, and then tap on continue. Click on the document icon down below in the right side corner, and now you should click on this crop icon down below. Here you should drag these handles in order to select the borders of your document. Zoom in if you want to do it more precisely. As you can see, it's indicated in the middle of the screen in this circle. So here you should tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen if you are satisfied with the crop, but you can also tap on this auto detect function, which will detect the borders automatically. There's also this no crop option, and you can also rotate your document within this adjust borders section. So if you are satisfied with the result, click on the check mark icon, thereby saving your new scanned document as a PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.